After retiring from a long career with the government of Guam, Diane Calvo has been serving as the Executive Director of Catholic Social Services for the last 3 years. And as part of the nonprofit organization's 35th anniversary, they've been hosting monthly events to spread awareness about the services and programs they provide to the community, one of which is the Ali Children's Shelter.
It provides the shelter for the kids that have been removed from their homes. We are a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week operation. We accept children from newborn up to age 17.
The Ali Children's Shelter is the ability to house up to 16 children, and according to Calvo, they're always full.
Part of the reason that it's always at capacity is because we have children with special needs, and the social workers at the Department of Public Health and Social Services are challenged with recruiting foster families, and more especially recruiting foster families that are willing to accept children with special needs. And if a foster placement cannot be found and reunification with the natural families are not able to be arranged, then the kids stay with us until we are able to find that suitable home arrangement.
According to the statistics from Public Health, last fiscal year, Child Protective Services received a total of 1,894 referrals of child abuse and neglect, involving a total number of 2,747 children who were suspected of being abused or neglected. According to Calvo, with the cases that have been referred to her organization, she's seen an increase in the abuse of children with special needs.
Usually, if we're looking at what are characteristics that tend to have certain children abuse more than others, children with behavioral challenges, children that may have physical or cognitive disabilities, because it requires a lot of effort on the part of the parent or the caregiver. That intensive attention sometimes is both draining physically and emotionally and mentally. And when something triggers, the last straw, if you will, then they take it out sometimes on the children.
According to Calvo, its outreach is like tomorrow's Child Abuse Awareness Month fair that will provide parents information they need to know about what services are available to help them,
and how they can be part of strengthening families, developing capacity to cope with stressors, linking them to resources such as financial management, housing if that's an issue. Just connecting them to what it is that can help stabilize their family situation so that they can then focus on their parental obligation to develop the total child.
The fair is scheduled for Saturday from 10 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at the Tamuning Mayor's Office Park.